Fellow Biafrans and lovers of freedom, good evening all. I want to address the DOS, Directorate of State, under the leadership of Mazi Chika Edoziem. You don't change a winning team. It's not done. You don't change a winning team. Sit at home was our winning team. So for you to cancel it or suspend it is suspicious. And I want to use this opportunity to say a very big thank you to Mr. Simon Ekpa, who has sustained the sit at home. Members of the race, you must know that Biafrans are now turning towards Mazipa's direction. DOS, you are losing it. I want you to sit up and support the sit at home with all your strength. Support it. Without it, you are destroying yourselves. Thank you.
This is our nature. This is our nature. As usual, Bridgehead can't just about to now. Now, I am heading towards Opiweka. Kefuka. Now, even one of the here, Obogo Adu Azuro. I can't afford her now. Everywhere. And I was in the body at Christmas morning. Obogo di Kwaloko, my gate here. This time, Obo Road, Obo Plank, everywhere the locks. Everywhere the lock. Electromat. They forgot the electromat. Electromat, the lock. You know? Everywhere they there be small thing, you know. But Biafra, watch you go to Biafra. Watch you go to Biafra everywhere. Walk one car again. I'm out one now. And the muddy house like today. The end they cruise the motor now. I'm cruising. I'm talking about 200 in my way about. And they tell you. Watch go everywhere. Now, every park in on each other the lock. Now sit at home on car. That means like Christmas if I on Monday, they show that I make Christmas. Christmas on 25th or 31st and I'm on Monday. I'm gonna sit at home now. I go do more way road everywhere this camp. I got from Opiweka now, almighty Opiweka. Everywhere, I want to believe they tell you. I want to believe what you go to everywhere. Nah, no be small matter. The man on Totoa, while I'm covered on Totoa, I was addressing some particular matter, a particular matter like that. But this time now, it's in my Lota. Now, all the old filling station, you see Benin, now Batanambra and Alarola because the road is quiet or they're busy. Meaning that the sit at home now felt businesses, you know, from Asaba Headbridge, Bago Mule, the Agbo, Benin. You know, I am Chobota. So everywhere now they imagine. Nah, I will believe. The seat on one of the Afia penny, as far as Onitsha is concerned, no market. Afia ni no Onitsha. Barabu yenna wakedigi all the marketing on Onitsha they go to short. That be small matter. I've any no Onitsha the short. They go to my Afia tomato now. Ebuteche 911 trailer ni ebu tomato just a pack and no offloading nothing. So I above tomorrow or later in the evening. I don't believe and check you go man ndị amị anọ na bus stop ha ọ bụ na anọrọ ka mgbadị a anọrọkwu ya ka nsi na akọ na ha across ya ndị amị anọrọ this corner na amụwasị ma na a na ebe everyday asị na ịgba one way asị gị weta ego one way taa anọrọ ya so ha nọ n'ime ọfịs ya na-obey the sit at home. No be small matter. No, everywhere well they're already busy. Auto kwese there.